my god, really spicy.
So, Annette and I actually just made it to the Krabby Town night market. We were gonna try and find better parking. Let me cross the road before getting hit. We were gonna try and find better parking, but I actually had to drop her off because I had to park like 5 minutes away. But the night market is slammed. So I'm gonna meet up with Annette and then we're gonna get into the market. You would think it wouldn't be too hard finding a lady who is practically 9.5 months pregnant.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Oh, hello.
What are you doing?
I was snacking. I'm so hungry.
Oh yeah? All right, let's find somewhere to sit.
All right. So we've made it to the market and I'm really excited because I'm starving, A. And B, we have just gotten a curry dish that's typically allegedly served for breakfast, but it's like a sweet peanut curry with like these white noodles and it's so chewy and so delicious. So I'm gonna get into this because literally my mouth is water.
So if you've been following along with the adventures for a little while, you would know we like food way too much. So pretty much we're just gonna eat our way through today's market. Or tonight's market.
And in case you're wondering how this was, it was delicious, but it is so spicy I cannot eat it.
Oh, do you want me to eat? Okay. Looks like I inherited a meal.
Sorry. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
บาร์บีคิว
ใช่ค่ะ
เอาเยอะไหม เยอะไหมนิด
อ๋อ
เดียว
นิดหน่อย
โอเค
ค่ะ
Where you come from
อเมริกา
อเมริกา
ใช่ค่ะอยู่ที่นี่ครับพี่น้องพี่
1 ปี
ใช่ค่ะ
สุดยอด เอาเยอะไหม
ชีส
ชีส
No, ไม่ครับ
ไม่ค่ะ
ไม่เอา
ไม่เอา
โอเค
ขอบคุณค่ะ
เย้
อ๋อเอ็นไม่เอาทุนที่นี่
ใส่ตุ้งไหม
ไม่เอา
ไม่เอา
ใช่ค่ะ
มาจิ้ม
yes
แยก2 อัน โอเคจ้ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะลาปอกกันไหม
ขอบ
ค่ะ
คุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Oh yes, this is probably laden to insult and MSG and all the things that I probably shouldn't have but are so good for my soul. It's barbecue Pringles in French fry form. Oh my god.
When you're coming to the night market, you definitely don't come for the healthiest food, but the tastiest.
ให้ลุงแล้ว
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีไหม
สบายดีค่ะ ได้ไหม ได้ค่ะ ได้
So what I just got should be pork and sticky rice mixed into a sausage casing. It is so good.
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับสวัสดีครับ So, the moment of truth. You can never really tell what it is from the outside, but she gave me the sauce. Ooh, that is really hot. Oh, sweet and sour. Not at all what I thought it was.
What is
Delicious. It's really just garlic pork with, I don't know, looks like little glass noodles on the inside. It's delicious. So anyways, to the next stall.
Not before I get a bite. This is so good. It's mine now. I'm just kidding. I'll be nice today. Here you go, baby. อันนี้ไก่หมดเลยค่ะ อันนี้เป็นตูดไก่ chicken tail ใช่ค่ะ โอเค ขอบคุณค่ะ ค่ะ just and do you want อ๋อคุณใจดีจังขอบคุณค่ะ
spicy sauce อันนี้เป็น red
Okay.
เผ็ดใช่ค่ะ ไม่ได้ but
And please.
that was so lovely. So we went up and I tried ordering and she didn't let us pay. How sweet. Okay, so this is a sweet chicken over here. It is glorious. Glorious. Wow.
And this is the spicy chicken. It's like a curry peanut spicy sauce. You have to try this. Not much.
I'm coming. Wow.
Anyways, do you want to get her like a brownie or something?
Yeah.
She just gave us chicken.
I would love to give
Let's
her
go get her
brownie.
something else in the market. That was so kind. She was so sweet. She was so sweet and smiley.
I love the people here, man.
Yeah.
I love the people here.
That is mucky water. That one was real bad.
ฉันเอาส้มมะม่วงกันค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Time for some mango juice for me and for our new friend because she was lovely. So while we wait, I figured I'd tell you. This market is located right in the middle of Krabby Town and it's in front, catty corner actually. It's like the big crab statue and the big eagle statues. And it's kind of hard to find parking unless you're on a motorbike. So be prepared to come here a little bit earlier if you don't want to be fighting for parking or parking really far. Daniel luckily dropped me off so that my big pregnant booty didn't have to come all the way over here. But there's tons to do at this market. If you want to get your nails done, if you want to shop, there's some bars, you can get beer. And if you want snacks, whether they're savory or sweet or juices, literally they have it all. So this is a must-see, y'all.
But don't worry, we're not done yet. We have a lot more
Right.
of the market to eat through.
Yeah, and Annette has a lot more sweating to do
Yeah.
before she goes home.
It is kind of hot today. How you doing?
Thank you. Fishing. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
อร่อยมากนะมาม้วนกัน for you แบบเป็นค่ะ She was so lovely. I love people. I love kindness. We just need more of that in the world. But I'm gonna try this. One of the things that I would say has been the most joyful of being here in Krabi and being somebody who's like living here now is the fact that we're able to get like little knickknacks to make our home more of a home. If you guys have been following the last 3.5 years of full-time travel, sorry, 2.5 years of full-time travel, you would see that we've never been able to have a home. We're like living out of a backpack or travel cubes and never can get anything that makes us feel warm and fuzzy. And so I am tempted by these succulents. But Daniel already took me to Moshi Moshi and let me spend $6 and I got a whole bunch of stuff. Get yourself a Daniel.
Rice or with the pork. Normally we mix with the lamb pork.
Oh.
Like the spicy salad.
Ooh, what do you want, babe?
Like this one.
Oh wow.
But if you would like only rice, it's okay.
Do you want to do the rice?
Okay.
So I just got what I started out as a curried fried rice ball, ended up seeing someone walk away with a whole dish of whatever salad they made. So I got one of those and apparently it's very spicy.
This one a lot of spicy.
Yeah, no kapung kap.
Normally we sell the 50 baht, but you 40.
Oh, kapung kap.
โชคดีค่ะ
Jodi kap. Everyone tonight has been so nice. I love Thailand.
ค่ะหวานไหมไม่หวานกับไม่หวานโอเคอ้าวhow about so we're gonna find a nice place for Daniel to eat his very spicy meal and I'm gonna chug a donut here. 5 baht 5 baht.
Alright, so I'm not going to sit here and eat through the whole thing because I kind of want to save some of it for later. But I at least have to try it. Oh, it's mixed with rice. I had no idea what this is. It looks delicious, smells good, and I was like, I'll take one of what they got. Oh, man. It's lemongrassy, oniony, flavory, spicy from the peppers, crunchy from whatever fried stuff they put in there. My God, really spicy. But it's delicious. Okay, I'm going to pound this back and we're going to go do something else. Oh, bad, yep. So as our final food review snack that we're going to go get, I'm actually going to get brownies. I'm going to leave this lady here because she has actually been having a lot of contractions and is going to stay seated for them. All right, I'll be back. It's literally at the point of any day now our son could be here, so I guess maybe we'll see. Maybe tonight's the night, eh? Last food review before a child gets here. So these are the delicious brownies we were talking about, and I don't know which ones we want. Ao Song Oreo. ครับอะไรครับ
and this peanut sir.
Oh, peanut. Okay. And almond. ครับ
And this chocolate chip.
Yes, chocolate chip ครับขอบคุณครับโชคดีครับ Here you are.
Oh, which ones did you get? Oh my god, they're so cutely packaged. This looks Oreo. Oh, okay. I'm starting with some Oreos. Tastes like an Oreo brownie, can confirm. Cakey, chewy, like Oreos, chocolatey. I'm a fan. Alrighty, y'all. Well, thank you so much for joining us on this food review, Krabi Town Night Market vlog. I am going to finish enjoying this brownie and try not to pop out a baby tonight, but I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Bye!